In the fast-paced world of finance, one name stands out: William Albert Ackman. Is he a corporate raider, navigating the turbulent waters of Wall Street for personal gain? Or is he a shareholder savior, striving for positive change within the corporate landscape? Today, we unravel the enigma that is William Ackman. Born on May 11, 1966, in the quiet town of Chappaqua, New York, Ackman's roots trace back to Ronnie and Lawrence Ackman. His father, Lawrence, was the former chairman of Ackman Ziff Real Estate Group, adding a layer of financial pedigree to his upbringing. Raised in the lap of financial sophistication, young Ackman would go on to reshape the landscape of hedge fund management. Ackman's journey to financial prowess began at Harvard College, where he earned a Bachelor of Arts degree magna cum laude in social studies in 1988. His academic prowess was evident in his thesis titled Scaling the Ivy Wall: The Jewish and Asian American Experience in Harvard Admissions. A man of intellect and insight, Ackman continued his pursuit of knowledge at Harvard Business School, earning a Master of Business Administration degree in 1992, armed with a Harvard education and a thirst for financial conquests. Ackman founded Pershing Capital Management, a hedge fund management company that would soon become synonymous with his bold investment approach. His strategy: activist investing, a method that goes beyond mere financial gain, aiming to influence positive change within the companies he invests in. As of June 2023, Forbes estimated Ackman's net worth at a staggering $3.5 billion. But the question remains, is he driven solely by personal wealth, or is there a deeper motive behind his financial maneuvers? Some see Ackman as a corporate raider, a shrewd operator ruthlessly pursuing profits at any cost. Accusations of aggressive tactics and hostile takeovers have followed him throughout his career. Critics argue that his methods border on the ruthless, but Ackman maintains that he is a catalyst for change, pushing companies to realize their full potential. On the flip side, Ackman's supporters hail him as a shareholder savior, a champion for the everyday investor. They point to his successes in turning around struggling companies, revitalizing them, and ensuring shareholders reap the rewards. The dichotomy of Ackman's reputation raises a fundamental question. In the world of high-stakes finance, where does the line between raider and savior blur? In 1992, William Ackman, our protagonist, embarked on a financial journey, co-founding Gotham Partners with fellow Harvard graduate David P. Berkowitz. The firm started small, making modest investments in public companies. Their ambitions, however, soared when, in 1995, they partnered with Leucadia National to bid for the iconic Rockefeller Center. Though the Rockefeller bid slipped through their fingers, it put Gotham Partners on the map. By 1998, the firm managed an impressive $500 million. But, as the saying goes, with great success comes great challenges. In 2004, armed with $54 million from personal funds and Leucadia National, Ackman initiated Pershing Capital Management. This marked the beginning of a financial odyssey that would shape the trajectory of Ackman's career. In 2010, Pershing Square set its sights on J.C. Penney, acquiring 39 million shares, amounting to 18% of the company's stock. Fast forward to 2015, and Ackman found himself in the limelight as LCH Investments named him one of the world's top 20 hedge fund managers. Pershing Square's impressive net gains of $4.5 billion in 2014 contributed to the fund's lifetime gains of $11.6 billion since its inception in 2004. On April 27, 2016, Ackman, alongside Valeant Pharmaceuticals executives, faced the United States Senate Special Committee on Aging. The panel tackled concerns about Valeant's business model and controversial pricing practices, addressing potential repercussions for patients and the healthcare system. Ackman, a shareholder in Valiant, acknowledged the risks tied to the company's strategy. However, as the chessboard of finance often reminds us, not every move leads to triumph. In March 2017, Ackman sold his remaining 27.2 million shares in Valiant to Jefferies, incurring a substantial loss. The estimated total cost of the Valiant position, including stock purchases and options, reached a staggering $4.6 billion. It was a tough pill to swallow, highlighting the unpredictable nature of the financial world and the risks that even seasoned investors like Ackman face. Ackman, known for his audacious investment style, thrives on controversy. He declares that his most triumphant ventures have always been the ones that raised eyebrows and stirred debate. His first rule of activist investing: make a bold call that nobody believes in. One of Ackman's most intriguing battles unfolded from 2012 to 2018 when he held a $1 billion short against Herbalife, a nutrition company he deemed a pyramid scheme disguised as a multi-level marketing firm. His efforts against Herbalife were spotlighted in the documentary film Betting on Zero, shedding light on the clash between Ackman's convictions and the complexities of the financial landscape. Ackman, a signatory of the Giving Pledge, stands as a testament to the transformative power of wealth when wielded for the greater good. Committed to donating at least 50% of his wealth to charitable causes. By the end of his life, Ackman's philanthropic journey is as intriguing as his financial endeavors. Ackman's philanthropic footprint extends to the Innocence Project in New York City and Centurion Ministries in Princeton, New Jersey. His foundation, the Pershing Foundation, founded in 2006 with then-wife Karen, is a beacon of support for innovation in economic development, education, healthcare, human rights, arts, and urban development. In 2014, the Challenged Athletes Foundation honored Ackman for his role in helping raise a record $2.3 million, showcasing his commitment to causes that transcend financial borders. Fast forward to 2021, Ackman made headlines by donating 26.5 million shares in the South Korean e-commerce company Coupang, valued at $1.36 billion, to charitable entities, including his own foundation. In a heartwarming partnership with the David Lynch Foundation, Ackman auctioned a luncheon, raising funds to support New York's frontline healthcare workers and veterans battling anxiety, depression, addiction, and suicidality. But philanthropy, for Ackman, goes beyond the headlines. He supports biologist David M. Sabatini, who faced challenges due to allegations of sexual misconduct. At a Pershing Foundation event, Ackman spoke out against Sabatini's unfair treatment. In a monumental move in February 2023, Ackman announced a joint funding of $25 million over 5 years with an anonymous donor to establish and run a new research laboratory, championing the spirit of scientific exploration. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more.